Here I've got Samsung Galaxy M21 and let me show you how to activate and use test mode on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the phone dealer because we will open this mode by using a secret code. And now it's time to enter the secret code, which is *0*#. And here you've got your test mode. So this mode allows you to test your device, your display, receiver, vibration, touch, sensor, grip sensor, sub key, speaker, and so on. Let me show you some of the tests, starting with display test. Just click on red and check if the color is working properly, and it definitely is. Then green, it also looks fine. Blue, perfect as well. Then we can check the receiver. We can hear it clearly, it is working properly. Then we can check vibration. You can hear it, I can both hear and feel it, that it is working good. Then you can check mega cam, grip sensor, sensor touch, speaker, front camera. Let me show you the speaker test. And as all of us can hear, it is working fine. And if you click on black, this is also for your display, you just have to turn it off a bit differently. Just tap on power key to turn it off. And this is it, this is how you can test your device. Just enter the secret code and then test all the features. So now let me close it, and this is it. So thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.